Hey guys, Harry here. I got a little bit of footage from a time lapse on Saturday. We went in, just did a brimmer and smashed in probably like 400 bricks and went home. You can normally get that out of a tub, 350, 400 bricks. So yeah, I'm going to probably end up doing a couple more Saturdays just for some extra filming, because through the week I don't always get a chance, but it's working out pretty good with Dean, and he wants to do them, so I'll do some. If we can get forklift. So here's a little time lapse. I've got a little bit of a tip as well. As you see, when I'm doing the last 4 or 5 course up to level with a block, so I do about 6. I stack the bricks on the actual block and then just flick them over and lay them. It's faster, a little bit how you do footings, but a little bit of a tip. You know, if you're running low on normally when you're building like 23, 24 high on a gable, you know, 8 high or 9 high stacks won't be quite enough. You can do them 10 high, but it gets very much awkward when you're bending down for the first few courses that are quite nosebleedy. You don't really want to be reaching up, so if the stacks are getting low, instead of, you know, walking all the way around the back of the plot to reload the gable, if you can just load them on the block, it's quicker, you can get them on, especially pick and dip as well. So yeah, you'll see me doing a little bit of that. But yeah, so yeah, check it out and enjoy the footage.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, back my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, put that record on me, dark. Oh, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new night. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close, and could ride this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I. Close, close, and could ride this fire. So reach for the stars, down. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. Best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me through. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
So yeah, that was footage. I cut myself shaving, by the way. That's why I look like I've got herpes. No, but I hope you enjoyed the little bonus video, Saturday video. And I'll try to get a few more. The weather's getting better now, you know. Winter, such a downer working, you know. You don't get as much done, losing time and that, so, you know, looking up. I'm going to get the suntan cream on next week, I reckon. It's getting a bit cooler though, so I'll smash working even easier without even feeling knackered. So yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.